Hey guys, welcome to another Block Tech Tips. I'm your host Ricardo Gardner. Now today we'll be looking at what I call the sexy virus or the porno virus removal. Now as you can see on screen here, you're seeing some pop up on your desktop, on your phone or your home screen I should say. Now this is a cause of a virus, and as you can see here the phone is very slow and I can't even get out of these menus. Now if you look on the desktop in the background, you'll notice I have some icons that says sexy, or several texts saying various sexy, like something like Lulu and sexy beauty and so on. Now these icons, I'll try to zoom in, they say sexy and sexy hot and so on. Now the intention is that they're intending that you'll click on them. Now this is a virus and you get this whenever you try to install apps from unknown sources when you use like a APK file. I'm going to show you now how to actually go about removing this virus from your device. Alright, now the first thing I want to do is to go on this website, put a link in the description to the full tutorial and the article where the links can be found, and you're going to download the APK file for Lookout. Now Lookout is an antivirus that's actually good that you can run on Android devices. Now of course you'll need to download it manually. You'll go to this website called APK4Fun. You can check out the link in the website, and of course you're going to connect your phone to your computer, and then by USB, and then you're going to actually remove the file that you just downloaded, which is an APK file. You're going to transfer it via the USB cable to your phone. Alright, so once it's connected, it should pop up. You're going to put the file on it when it's downloaded from APK4Fun website. So you download the antivirus Lookout, the latest version. Alright, you're going to put it on your phone. Alright, so once it's on there, you're going to actually go ahead and install. You'll need to also enable install of third-party apps before you can actually finish installing. So you're going to go ahead and do that before you move on to the next step, which should be fairly straightforward. Alright, once you have launched it and install it, here we go, next, and of course the device might be a little bit slow, so just bear in mind you might have to press next and so on a few times. Just run through the setup, it's free. At the end of it they'll ask for your email, but that's because that's standard. Alright, you can actually put that in. Alright, and it will install free of charge. Alright, it's a free antivirus. Alright, if it's unresponsive, make sure you click it repeatedly and it should fully install. Now you're gonna do a full scan. Once you do a scan, you're gonna see that it start detecting the viruses like Trojans and so on. You'll see the names. I want you to click on uninstall each time a pop-up appears on screen, and also you're going to actually make note of the viruses that you're seeing. For example, this one is in a strange Chinese or Japanese language. You can actually just click uninstall, right, for each of them, and you'll see the pop-up several times. Just keep hitting uninstall, right, and after a while you should see it should remove them. Now if you're getting an error that it's not being removed, you may need to try something else, but don't give up on the first try. You're going to try it several times, right? And as I said too, the device is going to be very slow, so if you are having issues where your device is being unresponsive, you can actually just take your time, don't rush it, right? You might become a little impatient, but patience is key in this, right? You should go through several apps. I've noticed several of the names that you might run into, and these include names such as Love Beauty, Lutu, that's Lutu, Sexy Hot, Sexy, EN Grills, Beauty Videos, and as you see the one in Japanese, you might be seeing different errors. And as you can see here, there are Trojans. You just want to go through and uninstall all of them, right, one by one. Right, just hit on uninstall. Cool. And remember, make note of each unique one that you see, the names, the name of the apps on the desktop and so on. If this method fails, or the antivirus, you'll have to actually use the names. And also you can actually try another antivirus. Like if you try Lookout and Lookout fails, you can actually try another popular antivirus that too should actually work, or might work better. I like Lookout, so that's the one that I recommend. Alright, okay, now if that fails, you're going to take the list of the names that I showed you a while ago, you're gonna actually go into back to the home screen, where you're gonna actually go to settings, right? It might be a little bit different on your device. You're gonna go into drop down settings, you're gonna go to application manager, or apps in some cases. Once you click on app, you're gonna go to application manager again, and then you're gonna scroll over. It's gonna be on downloads. You're gonna go over to running, go over to all, and you're gonna look at the list of the name of the viruses, and you're gonna search through here one by one, and you're gonna scroll through. You're gonna click on the name when you find one of them from your list. You're actually just gonna force stop, and then you're gonna uninstall. You're gonna come back again. You're gonna look for all of them one at a time. You're gonna tick off each virus by name, and then you're actually gonna force stop it, and then that should be able to do it. You're gonna also reboot the device, right? So this is basically a manual method of getting rid of them in case the antivirus method does not work, right? So you just take your time, go through this list. They're in alphabetical order, so you should not be able to miss them. So you can look for Love Beauty, Sexy Hot Sexy, and so on, and uninstall them. Now if that one fails, also your last method that you can actually try is to actually flash your device. Now flashing your device will erase all the data, and what you'll be doing is that you'll be reloading the RAM that actually came on the device, right? So to do this, it's kind of technical. You'll need a flash file, you need a piece of software, and you'll actually need to run that software on your device and then wipe the device. And in all cases, this is one of the best methods to actually reset your device from scratch. Alright guys, and also if you're trying to actually reset your device manually, like do a soft reset, you're gonna realize that's not gonna work, as this virus, as soon as you do a soft reset with the button combination, it will come back. Alright, so in order to get that tutorial which I'm telling you about how to flash your device, you're gonna click on the link on screen or in the description. You will take into my website where I run you back through these tips in detail in case you can't follow with my video instruction. And you can look at method 3, which will actually give you details as how to flash your device based on their device, whether it's a Samsung or other Android device. Alright guys, thanks. Please check out the description or on screen for the link, and go over to the website and check out the full article. You can skip ahead to method 3, and then you can go about learning how to flash your device in case all the other 2 methods before this has failed. It's Ricardo Gardner from Block Tech Tips saying goodbye. Peace.